Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare.
Hi folks, it's Warwick here at the Armidale Spiritual Well-being Centre. We've just had a lovely evening outside with the Happy Jiva monks with a lovely meditation and meal and kirtan. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Little ceremony outside. We had people that had been here at the centre and people that haven't been here before. We had a lovely little gathering with between 15 and 20 people, and yeah, it was most rewarding. And the fellas have kindly donated some books to the centre, which will go in our library. And we look forward to hearing their journey as they move around the state. And we thank them for dropping in and sharing their spiritual culture with us.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.